Today we're on a mission to bring some squirrels back to the house. I've got my sights set on one of them, and trust me, he's about to take a ride in the back of my side-by-side. Got plenty of room for him too, and his little buddy. This isn't just a hunt, it's a game plan. I've got everything prepped, and the strategy is set.
Let's do this.
This moment is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the respect all living beings deserve. We should make sure that we utilize as much as possible, minimizing waste and honoring its sacrifice. This practice aligns with sustainable living and a deep respect for the creatures that nourish us.
Man, that is that thing is big. That thing is as big and as fat as a rabbit. Y'all want to know something pretty cool?
Just the facts, ma'am.
Can y'all see the teeth in this thing? So a squirrel's tooth continues to grow. Their teeth continue to grow. And a lot of times you catch them chewing on nuts and actually chewing on tree bark to kind of keep them gnawed down to where they need to be so they can eat. Without doing that, they just keep growing and growing. It's pretty cool.
Alright guys, I'm loading up the Savage 17 HMR with my CCI V-Max 17 grain polymer tips. Now while these rounds are great for larger varmints, I've been noticing that they might be a little too much for squirrels. The expansion is just a little too violent, and I'm thinking that there might be a better option for small game like this. So I want to hear from you all. What do you recommend for hunting squirrels or other small game? I'm looking for something with a bit more control, less over penetration. Drop your thoughts in the comment below and let me know what rounds you've had success with. I love hearing what works for you, and it could help us all make the right choice the next time we're out and about and buying ammo. Man, I'm all ears. All right, let's get back to it. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying the hunt.
slipped and fell a while ago. And man, I was holding it on that squirrel tight, and I missed. That makes me a little bit worried that I bumped my scope. Dang, this sucks. So I gotta figure out some kind of way to test this. Get out here and shoot this to make sure that my gun is still on. Well, that shot probably 40 yards, and it shows me shooting an inch high, maybe half inch high. I was on at 50 yards. I mean, on the money at 50 yards. I was driving tacks. So I'm gonna call it on. I'm gonna call it I just missed. If I miss another easy shot like that, though, going to the house. I don't want to make an inhumane shot on an animal. So I want to share with you a tip about squirrel hunting. When you hunt, always try to put the sun at your back. One, it kind of helps conceal you. If a squirrel's on the ground looking back at you and the sun's in his eyes, you see the same way that the sun is reflecting off this camera now. So you can see me a lot better with me facing the sun. Plus, when I'm looking through this scope, I have a hard time seeing through it. So when you can, do the very best you can to put your back to the sun and use it to your advantage. Because I promise you, they're going to. Nature knows how to do that. Man, did you guys know that a squirrel
Just the facts, man.
can jump 10 times its body length? Holy smokes. And they can turn their little feet 180 degrees around in direction, and they do that so that they can hang on to trees and so that they can climb. Dude, squirrels are cool. I'm lucky to get like a 3-inch vertical. Sucker can jump 10 times his body length. I need a couple more jump in this bag. The wind picked up and it's gotten hard out here. I think I'm gonna start easing back to the side by side.
Every shot tells a story. Every meal honors the wild. As we conclude today's squirrel hunting adventure, we've not only honored our skills and embraced the joy of the hunt, but also engaged in a practice that promotes sustainability. Hunting responsibility contributes to wildlife management and ensures the health of our ecosystem. Thank you for hanging out with me on this journey. Your support means the world to me. All glory be to Jesus Christ, my Master, for guiding us through this experience. Until the next time, keep exploring the untamed outdoors.